Hi guys, it's me Terry of the Yarnjoy podcast. Welcome to our fall graph along. In this group of videos, we're going to be making this project together, this fall wall hanging. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to release each week, I'm going to release a tutorial showing you how to do this, each piece of this wall hanging. The first week will be the pumpkin corner. This is all done corner to corner, and the first one will be the pumpkin square, and then the following week I will release the tutorial for the owl square that we can do along together, and then the following week after that will be the fall panel, and then a short video after that, the week after that, will be the assembly of putting this wall hanging together. And I just used worsted weight yarns, whatever colors that you want to pick out. These are the colors that I did. And you can find a link to the pattern where you can download it and print the charts out on my Ravelry store, and I will put a link below in the description box below where you can get it, okay? And I hope everybody gives this a try and create this project along with me, and I think we'll have a great time doing it. So be looking for the first installment of videos, which will be the tutorial on how to do the pumpkin panel. Okay, we'll talk to you later, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.